The big story, viewers, that we have for you is quite significant. It's come from the United States of America. It is about the Lok Sabha elections that happened here. Were there some attempts to try and influence the voters here? Well, we are asking this question because the new US President Donald Trump has hinted at the former Biden administration of election interference. That's right. He has actually exposed, many are calling it a defeat Modi ploy, and this has become a big political issue here in India. Donald Trump, in fact, was talking about the funding via USAID because he is going as per the advice of Elon Musk-led Department of Government Efficiency and its decision to slash $21 million grant for the country aimed at increasing voter turnout. Donald Trump said, why do we need to spend $21 million on voter turnout in India? He said, he was referring to the Biden administration. He said, I guess they were trying to get somebody else elected. We have got to tell the Indian government this is a big breakthrough. Listen in to this explosive revelation by the new US President Donald Trump.
And $21 million for voter turnout in India. What do we need to spend $21 million for voter turnout in India? Wow, $21 million. I guess they were trying to get somebody else elected. Well, we ought to tell the Indian government, because when we hear that Russia spent about $2 in our country, it was a big deal, right? They took some internet ads for $2,000. This is a total breakthrough.
So let's tell our viewers what exactly Donald Trump has said. He has exposed a defeat Modi ploy. He has said, why are we giving $21 million to India? Why spend on voter turnout in India? He said $21 million in fact have been spent on voter turnout. He said that it is a bid to get somebody else elected. That's the question that he has asked. He says, I wonder, is it an attempt to get somebody else elected? We have to tell the Indian government. This is what Donald Trump has said. This revelation is a total breakthrough. Now, this big statement by US President Donald Trump has led to a big political war of words here in India. And viewers, not once but twice, US President Donald Trump has echoed similar claims. In fact, yesterday he asked, why should US fund India when it is one of the largest economies in the world? And viewers, earlier, in an exclusive interview with Times Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had spoken about alleged meddling in the Indian elections. Listen in to believe it for yourself. This is exactly what the Prime Minister had told Times Now's Navika Kumar just days before Lok Sabha elections.
Well, why are we giving $21 million to India? They got a lot of money. They're one of the highest taxing countries in the world in terms of us. We can hardly get in there because their tariffs are so high. I have a lot of respect for India. I have a lot of respect for the Prime Minister. He just left, as you know, 2 days ago. But we're giving $21 million for voter turnout. It's voter turnout in India. What about, like, voter turnout here?
मुझे लगता है कि ये विरोध और ये जो तीव्रता है, इसकी उम्र 4 जून तक है। 4 जून के बाद न उनकी हैसियत होगी, न उनका हौसला होगा। सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरे देश की ताकत होगी, मेरे देश का सामर्थ्य होगा, मेरे देश के लोकतंत्र का सामर्थ्य होगा, मेरे देश के 140 करोड़ नागरिकों का सामर्थ्य होगा और दुनिया भारत के लोकतांत्रिक सामर्थ्य को नए सिरे से देखना शुरू करेगी। और ये जो भी है, मैं देख रहा हूं, पूरी दुनिया भारत के चुनाव को इन्फ्लुएंस करने के लिए कोशिश कर रही है, जो कि उनको नहीं करना चाहिए। ये वो अपना ओपिनियन नहीं दे रहे हैं, अपना कमेंट नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे हैं। लेकिन भारत में इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं कर पाएंगे। भारत के लोगों के बहुत सी अंदरूनी जो शक्ति होती है वो बड़ी जबरदस्त होती है। वो आपातकाल के चुनाव के बाद देश ने देख लिया है कि भारत का गरीब के मगर आदमी में भी लोकतंत्र, स्वतंत्रता, ये आदर्श क्या होते हैं, उसने दिखाया है। और इसलिए इसमें तो वो कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे। मुझे पक्का विश्वास है कि जब दीपक बूझने को होता है ना, तो
लौ फटफड़ाती है।
तो ये वो फटफटाहट है, अब उनको अंधेरे में जाना ही जाना है जी।
So, viewers, you heard, in fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is what he told exclusively to Times Now, that he feels that perhaps there is an attempt of some kind of interference from the world to influence the elections, and now this has been confirmed by this big statement that we have got from US President Donald Trump. Let's also explain to our viewers the Soros link to 180 crore rupees for India. Now, BJP clearly doubts the election management. Now, USAID, the international agency of the United States of America, in fact, what we can tell you is that it gives funds to CEPPS. It supports global elections as well as political transitions. Now, it's a consortium for elections and political process strengthening. Now, CEPPS's agenda, like I mentioned, is to support global elections as well as political transitions. Now, CEPPS gets 4,200 crore rupees in USAID. Now, after that, what we can tell you is that CEPPS gets 180 crores for voter turnout to improve the voter turnout here in India. Now, that funds IFES, which is this organization, which is International Foundation for Election Systems. So, USAID gives funds to CEPPS, CEPPS gives funds to IFES, which is International Foundation of Electoral System, that is funded by USAID and Soros's Open Foundation. So, is there some kind of an attempt, of this kind that Donald Trump administration has hinted at? BJP clearly is now demanding an investigation into this particular case, and we